Hey there, amazing people! Welcome back to my channel, where today we are taking a look at the incredible 15L large multifunction digital air fryer without oil electric oven. Let me tell you, this air fryer is a game changer in the kitchen. First off, let's talk about the multifunctionality of this air fryer. It's like having a whole kitchen in one appliance. Not only can you use it as a skewer toaster, spit driver, and barbecue stove, but it also functions as an oven, defroster, and fruit dryer. Talk about convenience, but it's not just about convenience, it's also about health. With this air fryer, you can cook without oil, which means you can enjoy low-fat and light meals that are incredibly healthy. And let's not forget about the high thermal efficiency and safety features that come with this fryer. With its large capacity, you can easily cater to the needs of 5 to 6 people, making it perfect for family gatherings or hosting friends. And the best part? It's easy to clean and maintain, so if you're looking to take your cooking game to the next level and make healthier choices without sacrificing taste, then this 15L large multifunction digital air fryer without oil electric oven is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize the way you cook. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing air fryer and take the first step towards healthier, more convenient cooking. And don't forget to leave your feedback. We value and appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.